To stress Job ZILLA, I stopped the orchestrator, the poller, and the executors, and I generated 10,000 jobs to create material master data, which is what we see on our screen. All our jobs are in status created, and if I go to the materials application and I refresh the screen, we can see that there are no materials in the system. To have an idea about the computer that we are using one single computer that it has 16 gigabytes of RAM and 6 CPUs, and it's a really basic i5 computer. And on this computer we installed all modules of TLP, the database, so everything is running on this monolithic computer. I will keep the task manager up so we can see what happens to the resources and what time it takes, how much time it's needed for each operation. We can use the uptime. We will use the uptime as a clock to understand how much time is needed. So let's start immediately. So the first step is orchestration. Orchestration is something that is very fast. So as you can see, in 3-5 seconds we got all our jobs dispatched to the different application nodes. Now I will start execution, and as soon as execution starts, we can see that we have a spike in the utilization of the CPU. This is because we configured the system to have 10 threads for each executor node, and we have 3 application servers. So in total we are processing 30 jobs in parallel, and this parallelism is causing a full utilization of our CPU resources. So this way we can process jobs as fast as possible. Of course, you can see the progress of jobs being executed from the up nodes, where we can see that the scheduled jobs are being moved to the processed section. I think it will take something. I think it will take something around a minute to process all 10,000 jobs, but we will see it based on the uptime when I will edit the video. Okay, so 10,000 jobs processed. I think it took something around a minute. We will see. And now if I go to, let me shut down this. If I go to the materials and I refresh, we can see that we got our 10,000 materials in the system and that all our jobs were processed. So this was a very simple stress test or performance test that we executed on Job ZILLA to see how it behaves when it receives many jobs. But as you can see, it is really a monster. Thank you very much.